Hello everyone, this is Aditya, and today we're going to solve this problem. In this, we are given that find all n belonging to natural numbers such that 5n square minus 7n plus 84 is divisible by 5. So let's see how we'll solve this problem. But before that, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and support this video. Now let's start. So we are going to apply modular arithmetic in this case to make the calculations easier, and of course, we'll see some of the observations too. So let's see it. So let's see how we'll solve it. So we know that 5n square minus 7n plus 84 means it is the given number, it is the given algebraic expression. So in this we have to prove that it is divisible by 5. We have to find such values of n. So let's see it. So of course 5n square is always divisible by 5. Why? Because of course 5 is divisible by 5, right? Simple. So of course we don't need to check for it. So we have to check for negative 7n plus 84, right? Okay. So in this you can take negative 7 as common, so you get n minus 12, right? So basically, since we know that negative 7 or basic 7 is not divisible by 5, so we have to check for this quantity only. So we basically want n minus 12. Now we are going to apply the concepts of modular arithmetic. Should be congruent to 0 mod 5, correct? Okay. It means that when n minus 12 is divided by 5, it gives the remainder as 0. Basically it means that this expression is divisible by 5, right? So basically 5n square minus 7n plus 84. So for this expression to be divisible by 5, of course this expression is always divisible by 5, right? So that is why we have to prove that this expression is also divisible by 5, right? Okay. So in that, when we took negative 7 as common, we got this expression. So negative 7 is a constant. So of course, if it is not divisible by 5, then of course it is not divisible by 5. We can't give any value to change it. Of course, 7 is a constant. But of course, we can make this expression divisible by 5 by choosing some values for n, right? Okay. So basically, n is congruent to 12 mod 5, right? From this. So we get n is congruent to 2 mod 5, right? These are some of the properties that you should know regarding the modular arithmetic, and of course I'll make videos on it also. I'm making number theory in lecture by lecture form. So till now I have made like 2 lectures for number theory, and of course I'll make complete number theory in lecture form, right? So stay tuned, and of course if you want you can check out those videos, and I'll be covering modern arithmetic in that, right? Right now I'm covering the simple basics of number theory, then we will go in deeper sense, right? Okay. So it means that n is congruent to 2 mod 5, right? So basically n is of the form 5k plus 2, right? Okay. Where k belongs to integers, right? Correct. Okay. But since we want that n to be a natural number, so of course what can be the possible value of k? Well, k can be, of course we want that 5k plus 2 to be greater than 1, right? We want this expression, right? Hence greater than equal to 1 we can say. So we have 5k is less than equal to negative 1, right? So k is greater than equal to negative 1 by 5, right? So k is equal to 0, right? Is the minimum value of k, is minimum value for k, right? So if you take the intersection of these two expressions, so we'll get k is equal to like 0, 1, 2 till infinity, right? Okay. Hence, you substitute k is equal to 0, you get 2. You substitute k is equal to 1, you get 7. You substitute k is equal to 2, you get 12, and so on and so forth, right? Or basically if you want to express it like a general term, you can say that n is equal to 5k minus 1, where minus 2, where k goes from minus 3, sorry, from 1 to infinity, right? From 1 to 3 till infinity, right? This is the general expression to express any general term. Why? Because we want that T of k at k is equal to 1 should give the first term, right? That is why. So that is why we changed it from 5k plus 2 to 5k minus 3, right? Basically, we changed k from k to k minus 1, right? Correct? Understood? Okay. So this is how you got this expression. And if you are not understanding this, don't worry about it, okay? Take this as your general expression right from here, and then you just solve it. You just substitute k is equal to 0 for minimum. So you get k is equal to, at k is equal to 0, you get n is equal to 2. So 2 at k is equal to 1, you get 7, and at k is equal to 2, you get 12, and so on and so forth, right? So this is the general expression for this question, that n is equal to these values. And of course, in the question, it was like to find the sum also. So I don't think so that it is possible to calculate the sum since it's diverging, right? So I hope so that it is clear now. So I hope so that you learned something new from this video. If you did, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and support this video. Bye bye, take care, and all the best.